During a forearm side plank pulse, the body is held in a side plank position on one forearm while the hips gently pulse up and down. This variation increases muscle engagement for core stability and strength. The primary and secondary muscles working include primary muscles worked. 1. Obliques, internal and external. Main core muscles stabilizing the torso laterally. Contract to keep the hips lifted and perform the pulsing motion. 2. Transverse abdominis tibiae. Deep core stabilizer engaged throughout the plank to maintain abdominal tension and spine stability. 3. Gluteus medius and gluteus minimus. Help stabilize the pelvis and assist in lifting the hip during each pulse. Especially active in the side body facing the floor. 4. Quadratus lumborum, QL. Deep lower back muscle. Works with obliques to elevate the hips and maintain side body stability. Secondary muscles worked. 1. Shoulder stabilizers. Deltoids, rotator cuff muscles, and serratus anterior stabilize the weight-bearing shoulder on the floor. 2. Gluteus maximus. Aids in hip extension during the upward pulse, especially if your legs are stacked or staggered. The adductors, inner thigh muscles, especially if you're stacking your feet or squeezing them together to stay aligned. 4. Lats, latissimus dorsi, and intercostals. Assist in torso stabilization and ribcage control as the body pulses. Bonus. The pulsing motion increases time under tension, making the obliques, QL, and glutes work harder than in a static side plank. Please check my next video.